Penguins look cute, they waddle, they slip, they seem almost clumsy. But beneath that adorable appearance lies some of the most insane biology in the animal kingdom. Penguins are not just birds, they are underwater missiles, extreme survivors, and masters of cold so brutal it can freeze flesh in minutes. Today, we uncover the shocking science behind penguins and why these birds are far more powerful than they appear. Penguins are birds that gave up the sky to conquer the sea. Instead of wings built for flight, penguins evolved flippers, stiff, flat, and incredibly strong. These flippers act like airplane wings underwater, allowing penguins to fly through the ocean with extreme efficiency. Some penguins can swim faster than many fish. The Gentoo penguin can reach speeds of 22 miles per hour, making it one of the fastest swimming birds on Earth. In water, penguins are graceful, agile, and unstoppable. On land? Well, that's a different story. Most birds have hollow bones to stay light enough to fly. Penguins do the opposite. Their bones are solid and dense, making them heavier than water. This allows penguins to dive without fighting buoyancy, conserving precious energy. Some species dive over 500 meters deep. That's deeper than many whales. At these depths, pressure would crush most animals. But penguins are built for it. Emperor penguins can hold their breath for over 20 minutes. To do this, their bodies perform a biological shutdown. Heart rates slow dramatically. Blood flow is reduced to non-essential organs. Oxygen is prioritized for the brain and heart. Their muscles store extra oxygen using high concentrations of myoglobin, a protein rarely found in such large amounts in other animals. In extreme dives, penguins push their bodies to the absolute limit and come back alive. Penguin feathers are unlike any other bird's feathers on Earth. They are short, stiff, and packed tightly, over 100 feathers per square inch. This creates a waterproof shield that traps a layer of air close to the skin. That trapped air acts like insulation, keeping penguins warm in freezing water and helping them glide faster underwater. When penguins leap out of the sea, you'll often see bubbles exploding from their feathers. That's stored air being released, a natural turbo boost. Under their feathers, penguins carry thick layers of fat called blubber. This fat serves three critical purposes. It stores energy, it insulates against freezing temperatures, and it protects vital organs during deep dives. In emperor penguins, this fat layer can be several centimeters thick. Without it, survival in Antarctic waters would be impossible. This isn't laziness, it's biological genius. Antarctica is the coldest, windiest, driest continent on Earth. Winter temperatures can drop below minus 60 degrees Celsius. Winds can reach hurricane speeds, yet emperor penguins breed here during winter. To survive, they huddle together in massive groups, rotating positions constantly. Those on the outside shield the group from wind. Those inside warm up. This cooperation raises temperatures inside the huddle to nearly body temperature. Alone, they would die. Together, they survive. Penguin parenting is nothing short of extreme. After laying a single egg, the female emperor penguin transfers it to the male, carefully placing it on his feet. Then she leaves. For months. The male balances the egg on his feet, covering it with a warm brood pouch. He does not eat. He does not move far. He endures darkness, starvation, and brutal cold. By the time the egg hatches, the male may have lost nearly half his body weight. Few animals sacrifice this much for a single offspring. Penguin chicks are born helpless, covered in soft down feathers. They rely completely on their parents for warmth and food. Parents regurgitate partially digested fish and krill directly into the chick's mouth. As chicks grow, they form creches, groups that huddle together for protection while parents hunt. This group survival strategy reduces heat loss and predator risk. Even as babies, penguins understand the power of teamwork. Penguins feed primarily on fish, squid, and krill. Krill may look small, but they are packed with protein and fat. Entire penguin populations depend on these tiny crustaceans. Penguins swallow prey whole. Spines inside their mouths help grip slippery fish, preventing escape. Every hunt must count, because each dive burns energy and risks death. Penguin eyes are perfectly adapted for underwater vision. Unlike human eyes, penguin eyes adjust easily between air and water. They can see clearly in low light, murky depths, and fast-moving conditions. This allows penguins to hunt at dawn, dusk, and deep underwater where other predators struggle. In the ocean, penguins are not prey. They are precision hunters. That famous penguin waddle isn't clumsiness, it's energy efficiency. Penguins walk upright to conserve heat and balance their heavy bodies. Their short legs reduce heat loss near the ground. Every step is calculated, even when it looks silly. When penguins slide on their bellies, it's not play. It's faster and uses less energy than walking. In extreme cold, conserving energy can mean the difference between survival and death. Even fun-looking behaviors have a serious biological reason. In water, penguins face deadly enemies: leopard seals, orcas, sharks. One wrong move can be fatal. That's why penguins leap out of the water in explosive bursts, confusing predators and escaping in seconds. Speed, timing, and instinct are everything. Not all penguins live in ice. Some species live in temperate zones, and one species, the Galapagos penguin, lives near the equator. These penguins survive heat using shade, cool currents, and panting behaviors. From frozen deserts to tropical islands, penguins adapt like few animals can. Penguins evolved for stability: predictable ice, cold oceans, reliable food. Climate change disrupts all of it. Melting ice reduces breeding grounds. Warming oceans reduce krill populations. Extreme weather increases chick mortality. Penguins are biological marvels, but even they have limits. Penguins may look gentle and funny, but their biology tells a different story. They are deep-diving athletes, cold weather engineers, devoted parents, masters of survival in some of the harshest environments on Earth. The next time you see a penguin waddle across the ice, remember, you're watching one of nature's most extreme creations. If you enjoyed this deep dive into wildlife biology, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more incredible stories from the natural world.